Chris Mcqueen here from the West Tigers. Just down at AutoCraze today. I've brought the Camaro down to get some new wheels and tyres. Had it for a few months now and ready to start making my own. Heard AutoCraze do a really good job, so I'm excited to see how they go.
Look at that, Foose.
Good, bruh.
Rap man, Foose legend. Got the man Chris Mcqueen. Shout out to the West Tigers, man. Hopefully 2019 will be the year they're gonna kick some ass, man. I'll talk to the people watching, man. Tell them how you feel. Tell them how you found out about us from the start to the finishing products there. Talk to them, brother Chris.
Yeah, I found out about them online. I did a Google search for wheels, and they were one of the first places they came up. So came in last week, had a chat about getting the new wheels, and yeah, I couldn't imagine it was going to turn out to be this good. Absolutely stoked with the job, and yeah, it's been an absolute pleasure working with the team here at AutoCraze.
Chris, once again, thank you very much. Pimpin'. Guys, follow his socials, check him out, because this beast here is not going to look like this anymore. He's got a lot more work done, and guess what, man? Shout out to Chris, shout out to the boys from the Tigers, and up the bloody Tigers taking it 2019. Bounce.